Behind me I've got a GLA45 2016 pre-facelift, and having this car for nearly 5 years now, for us about time that I do a review. I feel like we should get started with a sound check first. So over the last 5 years, I haven't really had anything go wrong with this car. Only last year I've had to change 2 sensors, but that's about it. So I've had this car since 2021, and I got it at just about 35,000 miles. It is currently on 84,000, and I've done what, 40,000 miles? Is it 40? But I'm confused. So yeah, I haven't really had anything major go wrong with this car. Reliable, very reliable, I'd say. I've had a stage 1 on it for 2 years now, so yeah, it's been very good so far. What else? MPG wise, if I was to do more away long journeys, I could easily get 40 MPG. On average I would say 30 if you boot it around and stuff like that, but yeah, you can easily get 40 MPG on a more way long journeys, stuff like that. Driving the city is not really a good thing about this car. You literally get on average about 16 MPG, and that's me driving it in comfort as well. I guess 16 MPG just going 20 to 30 miles an hour, the speed limit that you have in the cities.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
But yeah, that's about it. So I feel like now it's time to do a launch, so without further ado, let's get into it. So in my opinion, this is one of the best hatchbacks that you can currently buy. You can get one for, I think, as low as 11, 12K, but you get quite, it's good. So in my opinion, it's one of the best hatchbacks that you can get currently on the market. You can get one for as low as 12K. Good value for money. Good performance, like I said, on a stage you want to get 400 horsepower, 355 stock, all-wheel drive as well, very nice interior, car handles well, practical, loads of space, yeah.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Practical, loads of space, yeah.
Yo guys, and if you do like this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe, and obviously comment what you liked and not liked about this video, stuff that I can improve on, and we're gonna be doing more reviews soon. We're gonna get more cars, more interesting cars, something more serious, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.